In this video, we will present you the learning scenario of the activity moving around the stage and the composition of the entire code. The players will help different animals to accomplish their goals. Through two activities, the players learn how to move the sprite in X and Y direction on the stage, how to program an easy code to solve the tasks given. Students should know already where to find programming blocks and how to connect them into a sequence. In these activities, students will make a meaningful sequence of blocks. The expected duration of this activity is 45 minutes. The students can work individually. The role of the teacher is to help them and to explain the more complex paths. Now we will see the entire code for both the projects. Open Catch the Ball and add code to the dog so that it catches the ball. Use change X by and wait seconds blocks to make an animation of a dog moving towards the ball. To do that, we have to consider the X and Y coordinates in our plan or stage as represented in the following picture. A possible solution may look in this way. As you can see, the X changes when you move to the left or to the right. If the X is 0, your sprite is in the middle of the stage. All that is left of the middle needs minus in front of the number, and the more away it is, the greater the number. Right of the middle, X values are numbers greater than 0. Now, open Help Monkey Climb the Tree and add code to the monkey to fetch the bananas. Use change Y by and wait seconds blocks to make an animation of a monkey climbing on the palm tree. A possible solution may look in this way. As you can see, the Y changes when you move up or down. If the Y is 0, your sprite is in the middle of the stage. All that is higher than the middle has Y greater than 0. If you want your sprite to be below the middle line on the stage, it is just as if you go diving. You say that you are below the water by putting minus in front of the number and say how many meters below the water you are. And on the stage you say how many steps below the middle line you are. If you want to climb back down from the tree, use change Y by -10. In both tasks, you had to interchangeably use two blocks. How many times did you have to repeat the code? There is a shorter way of writing this code by telling the computer to repeat your code a given number of times. This is repeat loop block. You can use it when the same action or a sequence of actions repeats itself more than once. Try to change your code for both tasks so that you use repeat loop. The code you want to repeat has to be put inside this block, and you have to write how many times it should be repeated in the blank space. The code for the monkey. A remark to note: if done with older students who know decimals, waiting time can be shorter, for example 0.1. If they know what coordinate system is, some explanation can be omitted. To solve the task, students can be helped with the prepared instruction. For more information, visit the project website.